Our galaxy alone contains hundreds of billions of stars. Many of those stars have planets orbiting them. Some of those planets may be very similar to Earth. Statistically, life should have appeared many times across the universe. And if life is common, intelligent civilizations should exist too. Some civilizations could be millions of years older than humanity. With so much time, they might have spread across entire galaxies. So a simple question begins to bother scientists. If aliens are so likely to exist, where is everybody? This mystery is known as the Fermi Paradox. It was inspired by a casual question asked by a famous scientist. The scientist was Enrico Fermi. During a discussion, he asked a simple but powerful question. Where is everybody? Decades later, nobody has found a clear answer. To understand the paradox, we need to think about the size of the universe. The distances involved are almost impossible to imagine. Even light takes years to travel between nearby stars. Yet the galaxy is ancient compared to humanity. The Milky Way is more than 13 billion years old. Humanity has existed for only a tiny fraction of that time. If another civilization appeared millions of years before us, it would have had an enormous head start. In theory, it could spread throughout the galaxy. And that might not even take very long. Some estimates suggest a galaxy could be explored surprisingly quickly. On cosmic timescales, millions of years can be a short period. So if advanced civilizations exist, why don't we see any evidence of them? One possibility is that intelligent life is incredibly rare. Maybe most planets never develop life at all. Life may require an extraordinary combination of conditions. Earth might be far more special than we realize. Scientists call this idea the rare Earth hypothesis. But simple life appeared on Earth surprisingly early. That suggests life itself may not be the problem. The real challenge may be creating intelligent life. Complex intelligence could be an extremely unlikely accident. Maybe humanity is one of the very few civilizations to make it this far. But there's another possibility. Maybe civilizations are common. Maybe they simply don't last very long. This idea leads to something called the Great Filter. The Great Filter is a barrier that very few civilizations overcome. It could happen at any stage of development. Perhaps most planets never produce life. Maybe simple life rarely becomes complex life. Or intelligent species may destroy themselves. If that's true, the silence of the universe becomes much darker. The scary question is simple. Is the Great Filter behind us? If so, humanity may have already passed the hardest obstacle. That would be encouraging news. But what if the Great Filter lies ahead? Then our future could be far more uncertain. Advanced civilizations may face dangers we don't yet understand. Technology could become powerful enough to threaten its creators. Environmental collapse might be another challenge. The universe may be full of civilizations that never reach the stars. But there are other explanations too. Maybe alien civilizations are simply too far away. Space is unimaginably large. Even advanced civilizations may struggle to cross it. Traveling near the speed of light is extremely difficult. The laws of physics may set hard limits. Maybe nobody can travel fast enough to build a galactic empire. Civilizations might remain isolated on their own worlds. If that's true, the galaxy could be crowded but disconnected. We may simply be too far apart to ever meet. Another theory suggests aliens are already listening. They may be waiting for signs of intelligent life. Humanity has only been sending radio signals for a short time. Those signals have traveled only a small distance. The galaxy is much larger than our signal bubble. Most civilizations may never have noticed us. We might simply be too new. Humanity could still be in its cosmic infancy. Perhaps the universe just hasn't had enough time. Maybe first contact is still far in the future. Some scientists propose an even stranger idea. Advanced civilizations may choose to stay hidden. They might avoid attracting attention. Perhaps the universe is not as safe as it seems. This idea is called the dark forest theory. In this theory, every civilization hides. Revealing your location could be dangerous. Nobody knows who might be watching. So everyone remains silent. The universe becomes quiet by choice. But what if we are searching the wrong way? We usually look for radio signals. Advanced civilizations may use completely different technology. Their communications could be beyond our understanding. It would be like Anne and trying to understand the internet. We may not recognize alien technology when we see it. The evidence could already be around us. We simply might not know where to look. The universe may be stranger than we imagine, and our assumptions may be holding us back. There is another fascinating possibility. Advanced civilizations may build enormous structures around stars. These structures could capture vast amounts of energy. Scientists have searched for signs of such megastructures. So far, nothing conclusive has been found. But the search continues. Every year, our telescopes become more powerful. We are discovering new planets constantly. Some of those worlds may be capable of supporting life. The list of promising candidates keeps growing. The search for alien life is accelerating. New observatories are scanning the universe. Powerful instruments can analyze distant atmospheres. Scientists look for clues linked to life. Certain gases may reveal biological activity. One discovery could change human history forever. Even microbial life would be revolutionary. It would prove we are not alone biologically. Intelligent life would be an even bigger discovery. It would answer one of humanity's oldest questions. Yet despite decades of searching, the silence remains. No confirmed alien signal has ever been detected. No undeniable evidence has appeared. The mystery remains unsolved. And that is what makes the Fermi Paradox so fascinating. Every explanation raises new questions. Every answer reveals another mystery. The deeper we look, the more we learn, and the more we realize how little we know. Somewhere among the stars, answers may already exist, waiting to be discovered. The next breakthrough could happen tomorrow, or it could take centuries. Until then, the search continues, because curiosity is part of what makes us human. The Fermi Paradox is more than a question about question across the universe. Someone may be wondering if they are alone too. Perhaps one day, the silence will finally end, and humanity will hear its first reply. Until then, we keep hoping. Where is everybody? Will we survive the challenges ahead? But imagine the discovery changes everything. New questions would appear immediately. Who sent the message, and why? Until that day comes, the greatest mystery in the universe remains unsolved.